get a bag.
Look, there's one right here.
So you give me the paper.
Who can open this?
You can open it.
You can open that. We ain't helping at all. You guys got to figure out how to get in there.
Oh, that's too hard. I'm gonna open it later.
Where's your allergy medicine at?
I can't. I'll open it.
Just rip it
Is
open.
it getting to you already, baby?
Just rip it.
I want to get it before it does.
There you go. It's hard.
Bite it. Chew it.
You can undo the ribbon.
Look at it. Gavin got it.
Ah!
I love this.
You got the same thing I got. They're really cool.
This is on TV.
Santa Claus got his stuff together.
Hey, Gavin, what is that?
It's Dream Light.
Look like a pillow to me.
It's a Dream Light. Pillow that glows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't
It's a
you
dream
stare in the
light.
dark. That's awesome.
I think I got a Dream Light.
Yeah, they really are.
Same thing.
Crystal, smile.
You get a lot.
Don't record me.
They have a blanket
Is
too.
that your old phone? You got
They have a blanket one of these.
My Pantech.
Give me your
Yeah.
bag. Give up all your bags.
I'll get it, Papa.
I'm just gonna help you a little bit.
Don't worry about it. I'm done.
Now give me something. I'll play Santa Claus.
Oh, candy cane. I want the candy cane. Oh, yeah.
Gavin, what'd you get? Huh?
That's from Tyra.
You got bright lights.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I love you. Boys, I love you.
I love you